Hey Albert, hey Wolf, hey track fans, how you all doing? And welcome back to track 106. We're going to have a great time today. We've got a nice car on the track, which you're going to see in a minute on the track previews. Then we're going to have a race and talk all about it and compare it to another car. Anyway, this is the moment we've been waiting for, a new episode of Track Fans TV. Let's have it, guys. Let's go, Albert. Here comes the preview. Morning Albert, track fans. How you doing, little Wolfie? You alright, boys? So anyway, guys, look at what we got here on trackside today. We have got a Mini Cooper. I love Mini Coopers, and wait till you see this thing. I tell you, it is as loud as a tank. Brilliant. Yeah, I'll tell you what, let's do a little rev it up. Oh, hang on. You ready? Let's do a little rev it up. Wow. Listen to the sound of that. Epic. Major burnout, Albert. Major burnout. Anyway, shall we see how this thing can handle? You've seen the track preview. That was quite a nice whip round the track with the Mini Cooper. But now let's see how it drives. And I know how this drives, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So, on that note, let's drive! Let's go! And he's straight out there around the block. He's got to take it easy around that far corner because that is sticky. There you go. Right, let's keep an eye on the track here while I'm driving. Nice and steady, goes around the corner. Listen to the sound of the Mini Cooper. The Mini Cooper is on fire. Right, it's going. Love it. But you get a bit feisty with that, with the accelerator, and it will roll. It will roll. And I'm trying not to make it roll because it means I've got to run round there. And there you go. We got a little bit of lipping where the guide has come out and then got stuck. So we get, oh, I didn't even need to touch it. It sorted itself out, and we've gone from around this side cam now, working in tandem with the one on the tripod over there. There it is, camera's working hard, everyone. Anyway, we got stuck on the lane changer. Neil, no lane changers on this one, my friend, because it's analog, and I haven't got the chip thing, the retro chip, to put in there, like I do there. See? So, let's put him back on the track. Let's get him on there, track fans. So, what we'll do is, in a minute, we'll take him to the garage. We'll open him up. No, we won't. I'll just show you pictures of the opened up Mini Cooper here. And then that way we've got more time to watch it go round the track racing. There you go. It is so noisy I can't even tell you, but it drives really well. I like it. Bit slippery. It's out of the box fresh. I bought it from an online marketplace. Fleabay, I think, is a nickname for it, but we'll go with eBay because great place, parts, cars, people. Yeah, hold on guys, let me show you something here. I got some people, plastic ones, off the internet, just to see what they were like, and they're not that great, but we might put them in the Martini bandstands. You can see I've got a plastic one, I've got a regular guy that we normally have, and a plastic one. So at a glance, looks all right. So you can like sort of intermix good with what we would say in DJing world as a set filler. So you needed to just, you know, use the toilet, you put a long record on, it's called a set filler, nothing exciting. Nip to loo, come back, and then hit them with an anthem. Same difference. So you put in a load of these plastic ones and come round here, and you got a crash scene. So if you follow us on Instagram, Track Fans TV, you will see that this was one of our latest posts. As you can see, the stretcher is in the wrong place. Why? Because I have teenage boys who come in here and use the place like it's their own. There you go. Lifetime rejig in there. Ginetta crash scene. Where is the Cooper? The Cooper is stuck on Bacharach Bend. We've got to be careful here because my wires are going to get caught up in the... So let's go. Let's keep driving. Right, back in the race. Oh, derailed. Hitting the corner too fast. So, right. I want to give you an example of how loud this Mini Cooper is. So if I take the Cooper off and put the new Ford GT, GTE, everyone on the track, listen to this. Apart from it being super fast, it's gone and derailed around there, couldn't even hear it. Could not hear it. So let's get the Cooper back on. There we go. We're in a final lap, guys. Final lap, and then we'll wrap it up there. Oh no, he's got stuck on the lane change. Neil, the final lap of honour. Oh. Stuck over there now as well. I mean, literally, I hope this, you know, shows you guys, Scalextric fans, track fans, that your frustrations happen here in the den as well. Don't roll it. So anyway, the final lap of honour goes to Paul in Nottingham. Paul, how you doing, mate? This Mini is all for you, the Mini Cooper man. Oh no, I've taken it to pole position and I'm not even there. Right, I have to go round again. Get over there. Come on. This is it. Last lap. Literally the earth is shaking on the camera because this is so exciting. Albert, Wilfred, track fans, really loved this episode. Really loved it because it's all about an old school car. Old school car instead of a high performing, super fast Flash, Dewberry, what's it. This is where dreams began many, many years ago. And all of the older track fans out there, Simon, I know you're loving this. I'll catch you all soon, guys. Ta-da!